beautiful first lady, Derek Gaya. Thank you po for having us here.
Yes, thank you so much. And of course, thank you and congratulations on Pinipili 9. How are you feeling right now?
I feel extra good tonight since I belong to the top 5 and yeah, I just feel so good.
But I love how calm she is, and she's the one who told us that she's just enjoying the competition.
I was actually just about to say the same thing. She's just so calm and confident, you know, and then you just have to lean in closer. So I hope that the voice of your supporters are so much louder than yours. Please say hi to them.
I want to say hi first to my mother on the side, and also to my friends who are somewhere on this dream right now, and especially I cannot forget my sponsor and we just still land transportation office of
Yes, the LTO, Polo and you. So much to all the sponsors, not only LTO, Polo, you have made our candidates even more special with your support.
At dahil sa support niyo, dito na po ako magpaparenew ng driver's license. Okay na po? Okay, alright. So it looks like the number 9 is ready. Here is your final question. Red Twice. Roots and Rhythm, honoring heritage rising from war, is this year's Folklore Festival theme. Share to us your vision of living up to this theme, highlighting your role as a metro woman. Once again, Roots and Rhythm, honoring heritage rising for more, is this year's Folklore Festival theme. Share to us your vision of living up to this theme, highlighting your role as a metro woman.
As a Binibini Polo, I carry our culture I will carry our culture by cultural PIE. PIE stands for protection, immersion, and education. For us to protect our cultures and tradition while ushering them towards modernization so that no one is left behind, and also to not forget to respect it. Immersion is for us to see and experience our cultures and traditions, because experience is beyond what books could ever reach us, and education. For us to educate and for us to be educated and to educate our fellow Filipinians on how our culture was born and developed. Because we are Filipinians, we are strong, we are empowered, and we carry our culture with pride. Thank you.
Thank you, Binibini 9. You can now breathe backstage, and we are just getting started. Binibini 2, how are you feeling right now?
I feel happy and blessed to be in line with top 5, and also I am so happy to clutch some of my own.
Congratulations. Now, you are just one step away from the crown. There is no time limit. I will be reading the question twice.
Good evening. As we all know, that Folklore Festival is a pointer with hunting ground, which pays and homage to its heritage. And as a Binibini, I can share my vision of living up to this theme by highlighting my role as a metro woman.
Heritage Rising for More is this year's Long Festival theme. Share to us your vision of living up to this theme, highlighting your role as a metro woman. Once more, roots and rhythm honoring.
There's this popular saying that I really love. Ang hindi marunong lumingon sa kanyang pinanggalingan ay hindi makakarating sa kanyang paroroonan. I believe that Polomolong is more than just economic prowess and it's environmental progress. We too have cultural richness. And with this shows us that we have vibrant culture. From the intricacy of Blaan, the devotion of Muslims, and the adaptability of Christians. This shows us that we are more than just our municipality and its thriving environment. We are people with identity. And as a metro woman, and in my journey as a Bini Polomolong, I believe that this is high time for us to actually create an initiative that creates a school of living traditions where cultures are learned, not just displayed. Because through this, we remain grounded by our cultural roots as we dance in the rhythm of progress. And truly, we can say that Polomolong is more than just progressive, but it's also thriving. Thank you.
Celebrating also culture and beauty, and we are here to celebrate you right now. Bini 10.
Thank my supporters, my family, my lovers, my Batalon, to the people of Barangay Magsaysay. Thank you guys for coming here tonight.
Alright, Bini.
Thank you, ma'am. Polomolong is a wonderful heaven and a melting pot, and we are reaching our cultural heritage from our Visayan settlers, Muslim brothers and sisters, into our Blaan people who bring life to it. I believe that preserving our cultural heritage is not about looking back, but it's about moving forward to for who we are, who us Polomolongeños, and through this platform, I will use my voice to celebrate our cultural heritage, our stories, our traditions, and the values that make us Filipinos. And with the help of our Mayor LGU local government, headed by Mayor Bernie Panencha, I envision implementing school visits and youth-led program by bringing our history into our lives and promoting that. I believe that we are soar for more. Thank you.
Dito lang yata ako hindi nakapag-remind for them to stay quiet.
Yeah.
So thank you so much from Tagagos. And of course we have Bini number 7 ready.
Yes, I'm ready.
Very confident si Bini number 7. But please, before we take on your final question, magpasalamat ka naman ang una to all. Here it goes. Roots and Rhythm, honoring heritage, rising for more, is this year's Long Festival theme. Share to us your vision of living up to this theme, highlighting your role as a metro woman. Once more, Roots.
A first class in our province.